Bum, ba-dum, 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 ba-ba-ba-bum. Ba-da-da-da-da. Squirrels
and birds.
Part 1.
Here we go.
Woo! Sorry about that.
Technical difficulty.
Yeah, just gotta set this thing right.
Okay. You know the one girl, Mel, who's in love with squirrels and birds?
And birds! Which
we don't like squirrels and birds. Well, what should we say? How to kill squirrel and bird.
No, it's Squirrel and Birds Part 1.
Part
All right.
1. Part 1.
Starting here.
Action.
Yeah. Action. Squirrels and birds. I mean, they're animals, right? No. They're pests, and they need to die. Die. Rot in hell, like that. Yeah. Okay, Brianna, what do you have to say about squirrels and birds?
Screw them.
Woohoo! Now, we're thinking about, this YouTube thing, and how all this girl does is, squirrels and birds, squirrels and birds, I love squirrels and birds. I mean, she might as well be making a Starburst commercial, except advertising them with squirrel and bird in them. But anyways, yeah, birds and squirrels and birds, doesn't matter how you put it. They're just evil. And we're thinking about making a little clan of squirrel and bird haters. Yeah, right, Brianna, right?
Yes.
Now, we've got Brianna over here, and she is making these squirrels and birds for us, so we can look and to see what they look like. So whenever you are out in the wild, you got to kill them, right, Brianna?
Yes.
Look toward the camera.
Yes. Kill these unnatural creatures that are like aliens.
Alien! Da-na-na-na. Alien! Da-na-na-na. Okay, sorry about that. I kind of have a
deficit disorder.
hyper problem. Sorry. Anyways, this is the foyer around us. We don't want squirrels and birds living in our foyer. So anyways, now let's take a good look at the outside world. What really goes on, and are there squirrels and birds? Let's see if you spot me. Right, that is the outside backyard. Do you see any squirrels and birds?
I do.
Huh? Let's go check it out. Da-da, 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 da-da. What the holy schmackles?
This is the bird. The bad means it got killed.
See it?
And
Still
this is,
flying. Don't know why.
but it has a sad face. And this is the trees. You cannot tell.
I like trees. I just don't like squirrels in them.
And this is the creature squirrel that we want to kill. And same with this one.
But keep tree.
Yeah.
It's a nice
Creature-looking
nice.
thing.
It's very nice.
Trees.
All right. So,
I love.
have you ever seen a squirrel? Have you ever seen a bird? Because if you have, we'd like you to call us at 1-800-594-8022. Now, if you have any questions about squirrels and birds, you can talk to Brianna, right?
Right. And now we're gonna go on our adventure for squirrel or bird. Da-da, 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 da-da.
I found a squirrel! Yeah! It's the most fun.
It's just a snowman.
No, it's a squirrel. Oh, there's the...
I think I found something. Just kidding, it's just a deer.
Aren't they cute? Let's go check in this area.
I found it!
Me too!
Da-da-da-da. Yeah!
Let us check in here. Dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun.
Let's go kill it.
Okay.
Jump in it.
Wow!
Ah.
Toga! toga, 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 toga.
Toga, toga, toga. Now let's go find a bird.
Are you hired for bird hunter?
No.
Hi. Sammy, we have a question for you. Do you like birds and squirrels?
Yeah.
What the?
Wrong
Holy
answer.
guacamole! Excuse me. We are doing a part 1, how to hate squirrels and birds. Okay, we don't like squirrels and birds. Right.
Right.
All right, let's go.
Ta-da. How about fishes? There's fish over here. I don't think you can see it though. Are you ready?
I am!
There's the bird. See? It's flying wings.
See? Watch it fly and die.
Woo!
Woo!
Now we have to go step on it.
All done. We accomplished killing a bird and squirrel today.
Now we can go stuff it.
Yeah, anyways, we'll be back on part 2. See ya!
Bye.